Hey girlfriend, you don't need a man, you need a horse farm. Where you can hook up anytime you want. Why chase men when horses are easier to catch? You don't even have to ride the same one every day. Hey big boy. Now I'm not saying you won't have to put up with a little crap now and then. But most studdish behavior can be stopped with a crop. And the only thing you need to worry about turning on is the tractor. Manure is the only thing dumped around here. Hey, it's not for everyone. But it sure beats a broken heart.